If you're wondering how to integrate Browse AI with Google Drive to automate your workflows, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple yet powerful integration that can save you hours of manual work every week. Stick around till the end to learn how to access Browse AI for free with exclusive bonuses. Trust me, you'll want to take advantage of this offer. So, let's start by understanding what Browse AI is. It's a tool that lets you extract data from websites automatically. No more scraping manually or worrying about data extraction errors. It's all done for you in an organized and easy-to-use way. And when combined with Google Drive, you can streamline your processes and store all your extracted data in one central location. Here's the first thing you'll need to do. Create an account with Browse AI if you haven't already. The process is super simple and only takes a minute. Once you've logged into Browse AI, you'll notice the dashboard. From here, you'll set up the integration with Google Drive. Now let's dive into how you actually link Browse AI with Google Drive. The integration is easy and just requires a few clicks. In Browse AI, navigate to the Settings or Integration section, where you'll find the Google Drive option. Click to enable it, and it will prompt you to log into your Google account. Make sure to select the Google Drive account where you want your data stored. Once connected, you'll be able to save the data you extract directly into Google Sheets or Google Docs. This means no more exporting CSV files or juggling between apps. Every time you set up a new data extraction task in Browse AI, you'll have the option to automatically send that data straight to Google Drive in real time. It's a seamless experience that helps you stay organized without extra effort. If you're working on a project that requires specific data to be constantly updated, whether it's pricing information, leads, or any type of web scraping, this integration can be a game changer. Let's say you need to track competitors' pricing. With Browse AI and Google Drive, you can automate that process, so every time Browse AI pulls new data, it's automatically updated in your Google Sheet. You'll never have to manually refresh your files again. Another key benefit is that Browse AI handles a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to the technical aspects of web scraping. It automatically adapts to site changes, ensuring your data stays accurate. This means you don't need a technical team to manage the scraping process, making it ideal for marketers, analysts, and small business owners. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can get started with Browse AI completely for free by using the exclusive link below. Not only will you get access to this powerful tool, but you'll also get a special extended trial, giving you even more time to explore all the features it has to offer. This integration with Google Drive makes Browse AI one of the best tools for automating your workflows. So whether you're new to the software or have been using it for a while, integrating Browse AI with Google Drive will streamline your data extraction and organization like never before. Get started now, and remember to use that link below to grab your exclusive offer.